I just spent an hour working on my friend's ad account, and I accidentally reduced his cost per acquisition by 30%. Here's how I did it. So first, I just want to show you really quick on the computer. You can see this is his numbers before I touched the account. You know, CPM's 21, click-through rate's 1.85, cost per click $2.38, but there's cost per acquisition overall was $79.79, ROAS at 1.1, AOV at $88, conversion rate at 2.98% from the ads alone. And then I made some tweaks, and then for the last 12 days, CPMs have gone up, click-through rate has gone up, cost per click has gone up 16%, but look at this, cost per acquisition down 32%, ROAS up 74%, so we're getting more profitable ads here, more profitable results. And then average order value went up as well, 19%, and the conversion rate actually went up by 70%. Super interesting. So what's crazy about these results is I didn't test any new ads. I just reorganized the ad account. He was doing the old top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom of funnel strategy that we were doing 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And I took the best performing ads, I consolidated the top of funnel. He had a bunch of ad sets. So we did one ad set, one campaign and top of funnel. And then I kind of removed the middle of funnel. And then for the bottom of funnel, we focused on repeat customers only. And that's it. So I set that up and then I just let the machine work. If you want to learn more about how to make customer acquisition more profitable and sustainably scaling, then subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.